What's up, everybody? Gonna give you the most ideal situation for the hub tool. Dodge Journey. I got that bad boy on there just to hold the axle in, because you're supposed to pull the knuckle to do these, but if you push the axle in, then you can get to what you need to get to. Give it the one-handed handy. Get that out of the way. Grab this little guy. It's almost like Chrysler invented this thing for the, look at that. Straight shot, has a little raised boss there. Who's your daddy? That's right, baby. I'm telling you, I'm gonna need to take stock in those damn screws, because I hate to say, I don't even use Big Nasty anymore for doing wheel bearings, because that thing works so well